Hello, I'm Andrew Wilson. I work as a practicing osteopath and ergonomist, and I work closely with Buro Seating to achieve chair design for your optimum well-being. To set the seat height of your Buro chair, locate the forward right-hand lever. To raise the seat, lift the lever while standing and release at the desired position. To lower the seat, lift the lever while seated and also release at the desired position. To set the seat tilt of your Buro chair, find the middle right-hand lever. While seated on the chair, lift the middle lever fully to activate the free-floating function. To lock the seat at the chosen angle, firmly push the middle lever down. Aim to sit with your hips a little higher than your knees, with a forward slope on your thigh, while making sure there are no pressure points. To set the back tilt of your Buro chair, locate the rear right-hand lever. While seated on the chair with your arms forward in your normal working posture, lift the rear lever to activate the free-floating back tilt function. At the desired position, firmly push the lever down to fully lock the backrest. To set the back height of your Buro chair, firstly reset the back height by raising the back to the highest position and then allowing the back ratchet to fully disengage and allow it to drop to its lowest position. And then slowly lift the back to the desired height, stopping at one of the 5 ratchet back height positions. We recommend having support starting at the top of the pelvis with peak support in the lumbar curve. If you have any further questions about the operation of your Buro chair, then please go to buroseating.com for more information.